Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove your Notion's workspace. So the first step that you have to do is open your Notion from here and make sure that you're on the workspace that you're going to be deleting or removing. So from here, what you're going to do is just click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you will see here the move to trash. So you're just going to click on that one to delete the workspace. Now, where you can see that is in the trash at the side menu. So you're just going to click on this one. So you have the option to restore the workspace, and you also have the option to fully delete it or delete it from the trash. So that means that you are no longer can restore the workspace. So we're just going to delete this one to finally delete that one. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!